Morning, guys. Sorry I don't have a voice. I have like a sore throat or something going on, but I'm gonna power through it so we can go test the car again today. I want to get some seat time. There's a pop-up event in a place called Jackson, Michigan. I don't think they've ever done drifting there before, but they're doing a $30 open day from 11 to dusk. So figure we'll go check it out, support it. Might be something cool. These events keep popping up everywhere in Michigan now, which is really cool because last year there was like nowhere to drive in Michigan. You'd have to travel to basically Ohio or Indiana to drive. So front bumper's off, getting ready to put this thing on the trailer. Truck and trailer, oh, you can't see, but they're loaded up. We just got to load the car up basically, and we'll get on our way there. All right, guys, we made it here. First time I've ever walked drifting here. Track's pretty skinny. The owner sounds super cool. He sounds like he wants to like add on a bunch of pavement, extend the track, do a lot of stuff. He wants us to be our home track, so he'd let us drift here every weekend if it ends up being awesome. So hopefully this works out, because then we'd have a track about an hour and a half from us. They could be pretty fun, test and tune or home track, like he said, honestly. We got Chad here. There's actually a lot of people here. It's only $30 to drive this event, which is extremely rare nowadays to find a drift event that you can drive. Chad's Coyote powered E46 Pro-Am car.
Hey.
Double entry master.
Yep, triple.
You ready to do some double entries today?
Yeah, I'm gonna drag the whole track with my e-brake.
Dude, that's gonna be sick.
From turn 1 to 6.
Well, didn't you're doing the front wheel drive conversion, so you can just hold the handbrake the whole time?
Disconnected. I have a switch that switches the axles that get power for the turn, so we're gonna try that out.
That'll be cool.
There's no rules against it.
Yeah, it's true. And Sarah just had her baby.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Red.
Say hi.
What's up? Cashman's here. Broke my upper control arm.
Where's it go?
Right there. Yep.
Right there?
Yep. Thank God.
That's what it was doing. The thing you didn't stop, or you didn't keep driving. I had the radio.
I heard it when I did the... Excuse me. So I got a spare piece thanks to Josh. Had a spare piece at his house, so we're getting it put back together, and we're gonna do some more laps. So I broke the, I don't know what you would call it, thing that holds the Heim joint into the upper control arm. I thought I broke the upper control arm, but this piece of metal. And the crappy part is I had a spare, but P2M made a revision and the hole was much bigger on the one I have compared to my spares. So shout out to Josh again for having a spare luckily at his house, like 5 minutes down the road. Car's all fixed up. Get out, do some more laps.
I'll talk about it. So the thing that's supposed to spin doesn't spin, and that's no good, especially in something, you know, like race cars. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and make it spin and then make it not spin, and that's it. We're in business, baby.
Do I have taco sauce on my face?
So the caliper is rubbing the actual material away because the spacing between the rotor and the caliper looks like I might have bent my bracket. But I'm just gonna let this caliper self-clearance because I honestly don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Hopefully it doesn't destroy these rotors. But I'm gonna pull the other caliper off on the other side real quick. Check it. Might need, if I had more washers, I could just shim this because it has room to go the one way. But we'll see what I can do. Speedway is done. Broke some stuff on the car, bent some stuff. We got some stuff to fix. We got a lot of work ahead of us this week before Gridlife. Car looks like it went off-roading. We did a little bit of mudding. This place is awesome track, has tons of potential here. Sorry, there's still cars drifting. There's tons of potential at this track. This is the first time they did a test and tune. It was $30, like I said. They plan to add a bunch of stuff. The track's a little thin right now, but they're gonna widen it, add a skid pad, pave a bunch more stuff. They really want to cater this track to drifting, which is really cool to see. So hopefully we'll be back here in the future, because it's only an hour and a half from us. And the staff here is awesome. The track's a lot of fun to drive. Yeah, I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Probably see you maybe doing some work before Gridlife. I'll probably try to get a video out. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the like, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.